Meaning of indict.
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 Indict. The word indict is a legal term that refers to the formal accusation of a person for a crime. The act of indicting someone is typically done by a grand jury, which involves the presentation of evidence to determine whether there is probable cause to believe that the accused committed the crime. If the grand jury finds enough evidence, they will issue an indictment, which formally charges the person with the crime. Being indicted is a serious matter that can lead to a trial and, if convicted, significant legal consequences.